Hi, this is our summer house out in Wales. Sorry about the fact that I haven't built any decking around it yet, but it will happen once the rain stop. That's not a bad joke. That's the reason it's here, because we have a beautiful view and we wanted to make the most of it. Right, the summer house, as we approach it, you can see that the right hand door shuts and latches, but the hinges are screwed at the top. And the top one, which I can't see, it should be about there. The left hand door doesn't shut because it has dropped, but again the adjusting screw is on the top of each of the hinges. I hope this helps and I look forward to hear from you soon.